नमस्कार दोस्तों। टैक्स अपडेट की सेम बोध कुमार में आपका स्वागत है। टैक्स रिलेटेड न्यूज एंड अपडेट के लिए चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करें। आज हम एक इम्पोर्टेंट अपडेट के बारे में डिस्कशन करने जा रहे हैं। एक नया अपडेट आ रहा है कि डायरेक्ट टैक्स कोड से रिलेटेड ये अपडेट आ रहा है। गवर्नमेंट अगर पावर में आती है तो डायरेक्ट टैक्स कोड को प्रायोरिटी बेसिस पे इम्प्लीमेंट करेगी। जी हाँ, ये हम अपडेट पढ़ते हैं। गवर्नमेंट किक्स ऑफ डायरेक्ट टैक्स कोड रिवीजन। The move is aimed at further simplifying the law governing direct taxes and align these more with the global norms. The Narendra Modi government, if voted back to power, will implement the long-delayed direct tax code on priority basis. Official sources said, adding that discussions were already underway in the Finance Ministry in this regard. Initiation of the lawmaking process has been included as part of the agenda for the Modi 3.0 government after direction from the Prime Minister, the sources said. Requesting anonymity, the move is aimed at further simplifying the laws governing direct taxes and align these more with the global norms, the sources said. The draft prepared by task force in 2019 would form the basis for the revamp. A recast of the capital gain tax regime and removing several irritants in the implementation of the tax directive at source are among the key proposals being discussed. DTC was originally proposed by the UPA government. A draft bill was put up in August 2009 and it was tabled in Parliament in 2010. The bill, after review by the Standing Committee, was then revised twice in 2012 and 2014, but lapsed with the discussion of the 15th Lok Sabha. The Modi 1.0 and 2.0 governments have taken a number of steps towards easing compliance, reducing exemptions, making tax rate beginning or including the September 2019 slashing of the corporate income tax rate to 22%, which more or less aligned the effective tax rate with not just the Southeast Asian countries but also with the US and the UK. However, there are several pending reforms, including in domain of taxation of capital gains and simplification of the tax law provision. आ रहा था जो हमने डिस्कशन किया है टैक्स कोड से रिलेटेड, तो चैनल के साथ बने रहिएगा ताकि आप अपडेट जान सके। धन्यवाद।